Hello, here we are at Dedication Point out here in Kuna, Idaho area. This area is a desert area. This place is set aside for, well, I don't know if it's set aside because birds are going to do what they're going to do anyways, but the raptors, there's more raptors in this place than any other place in North America. We're on one of the trails. A lot of the raptors, falcons and stuff eat ground squirrels, which there's a whole bunch of them here. There's a little ground squirrel hole there. Some there, some there, some there. And a bunch of them. There's a little one up there. Well, I better reassign my YouTube friends here. No, where are you going? Cheatgrass, public enemy number one. In front of you, I guess it's that stuff there. In front of you lies a stand of cheatgrass, a feathery invader from Eurasia. Cheatgrass has spread across the Intermountain West since the early 1900s. Cheatgrass grows quickly on the land that has been disturbed, such as by wildlife. Once established, cheatgrass keeps more desirable plants from taking root. By June, cheatgrass dies and forms a carpet of dry grass that fuels fast-moving wildfires. Because of cheatgrass, wildfires occur more often and burn more acres than in the past. Controlling cheatgrass is a key to eliminating wildfire, restoring native plants, and increasing prey populations, and providing a reliable food source for the area's birds of prey. So, grass there you can see in the ground is what's called cheatgrass. Where's it go? Huh? Where does it go? What does it do? Just more path? More pathway? Does it got more pathway? Does it got more pathway up there? Oh yeah, how far? What does it do? Just go off in the desert? There's a big old ground squirrel hole. So I guess that's enough on this video. I'll cut it out here and show you another one.